The hearing chest. The headphones clamped tight over Margie's ears. They were heavy and made her feel as if her neck might snap. What if it did? What if her neck snapped and her head rolled on the floor? She kept very still and watched what the lady in the white coat was saying. Now, dear, I'm going to give you these coloured beads to hold. Aren't they pretty? You must listen very carefully, and every time you hear a beep through the headphones, I want you to put a bead into the empty dish. Do you understand? The lady said it all again, and Margie watched so carefully. Yes, she whispered. She dared not nod because of the business of her head rolling on the floor. She waited to hear the beep. There was no beep. No beep. What should she do? Her heart beat fast. She kept watching the lady and could see when she pressed a button on the machine. That was the clue. Margie put a coloured bead into the box, like a good girl. She had done what the lady wanted. Now everything would be fine. Wouldn't it?